Hi guys, so this is kind of a weird little video I'm putting together. Earlier today I got delivered the Griffin 3D French Slimline Concentric dies, and I'm still waiting some other haul stuff from like Craft Day, but this came in and I was like, oh well, I'll just show it real quick and then I'll make a video tutorial, and I did do that. But at the very beginning when I opened the package, I got a paper cut, which I didn't notice till later. Like I said, ow, because it hurt. But I didn't notice until literally until this was done and I was putting the finishing touches and I was like, oh no. So I tried some fun editing and some other things, and you can still kind of see it here and there. You know, if I'm turning my head, maybe you'll see a little red line, a little blood. Okay, let's just be honest here. And I blurred on some of the things if I can blur it. And actually blurring it made it look worse because it was literally just like a little line, but the blurring was like, it makes it look like something happened. But I didn't want to just bring that on you guys. I liked the video. I love the way this card came out. I edited a bunch of stuff out. I fast forwarded some things just so it's kind of quicker and blurred and all that kind of stuff. So if you still want to see that video, what I'm going to do is link it in the description box along with the affiliate links for these items, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items. So those links, so let's say you don't want to watch that video. You're a little squeamish. It honestly is just like a little paper cut, but still I was like, I don't know. I didn't really like the way the card came out. So if you would like to see it, I'll have it linked in the description box. You can click there and it'll take you over to the video. And I'll also go ahead and link the 3D French Slimline Concentric dies, which are gorgeous. I really love the way these work up. And I mentioned in the video, sometimes some of the different shapes are harder to work with. This one's really, really pretty and really nice. And I paired it with the With Love Slimline cards and envelopes from Griffin, and then some China cabinet stickers, and I think this came from the Annalise Papercraft kit. So if you want to watch the video, it'll be linked there. If you don't, I totally understand. I was just like, I cannot believe I didn't notice till the very end. And I even looked, when I first opened it, I'm like, yeah, it looks fine. I didn't see that I cut myself, and apparently I did. So, I don't want to spring that on y'all without a warning. And there are warnings in that video too at the beginning. I warned you that I got a paper cut. Anyway. So check it out if you would like, and I know that's kind of weird, but otherwise I love the way these came out, and it's just a play on play. And what I try to do at the end is, because this card base has a lot of red and then the pink, and I use like a more fuchsia and light pink, is bring the red back with these flowers with that red and kind of pink tone to it. So I think we did a good job of that, and that was really fun. So simple. I mean, the video was like 10 minutes long. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have everything linked in the description box, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.